In this video, I'll show you how to bypass the Microsoft account sign-in requirement during the Windows 11 setup process. If you find this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another useful tech tutorial. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, press the Shift plus F10 keys together. If you're using a laptop, press Fn plus Shift plus F10 to open Command Prompt. Once the terminal opens, type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. This will open your network adapters window. Now find your active network adapter, right-click on it and select Disable. After that, go back to the terminal and type oobe /bypassnro, then press Enter. Your computer will now restart and take you back to the setup screen. But this time, as you can see, you are no longer forced to sign in with a Microsoft account. Now simply follow the on-screen instructions and complete the setup process. Once you're inside Windows, press Windows plus R, type ncpa.cpl and hit Enter. You'll now see your disabled network adapter. Right-click on it and select Enable to reconnect to the internet. And that's it, guys. This is how you can easily bypass the Microsoft account requirement on Windows 11 on both PC and laptop.